Disable UpdateOrchestrator Reboot task. About a week ago my Windows 10 Pro started waking up in the middle of the night. I've had similar problems about half a year ago, but managed to configure the cause, unruly update orchestration task and disable it, using this answer. Disabling the wake the computer option and reboot task helped. However, about a week ago the computer started waking in the middle of the night again and I'm unable to convince the reboot to stay down this time. When I uncheck wake the computer option, a window appears that asks me to provide login credentials for some mysterious S1518 user that I have never heard about. See the picture below. I use the Polish Windows version. I have no idea what the password for S1518 should be. This Windows dropdown allows me to choose other users though, besides the mysterious S1518. In fact, there seems to be about 5 accounts with names similar to my Windows username. Why there is a multitude of them? I have no idea. Control panel shows me as the only user of this computer. When I select one of them in the dropdown and enter my password, I get the following message, translated from Polish to English. The supplied variant structure contains invalid data. Do you have any idea how to disable the computer from rebooting at night? Edit. To clarify the multiple username thing, there is a single S1518 user in the dropdown. The multiple user thing I said pertains to my original Windows username. The following picture shows the content of the user's dropdown. I have edited out the names that show my original email address, my real name, or the names of my computers. Edit 2. I tried disabling the wake to run option on the task using PowerShell with the following script and it also did not work. No error is given but the wake to run stays true.
I was eventually able to disable the reboot task. Firstly, I tried the following line in CMD. It did not work, and the error message said I do not have sufficient privileges to modify the task, even though I work on a Windows admin account. However, thanks to this message, I was able to find information about sudo program. For the already linked hint, I used it in a trust installer mode to start CMD and, lo and behold, tasks now worked perfectly, allowing me to disable the reboot task. Windows is user-friendly, they said. Edit. To make things clearer, sudo gives you privileges over reboot task and you do not have to use exactly the CMD listed above to disable reboot task. Alternatively, you may, for example, use it to run tasks.msc and edit the reboot task to your liking in the window that opens, for example by unchecking the wake up checkbox. I have found that the changes don't always stick. The aforementioned message states that ON has to issue the following command using CMD from sudo. Note you may have to translate the account names to language your Windows uses.
S1518 is a local system account. It has no password and only services can run under it. But there is a toolsexec that can allow a user app to run under system account. You can use it like this. However, even disabling wake up for the reboot task won't stop the reboots entirely. The following alternative solution worked for me. Go into Power Options in GT, change when computer goes to sleep in GT, Advanced Options. Under sleep you'll see allow wake timers. Set both on battery and plugged in to disable. That should take care of it. You'll have to check again after updates as Microsoft sometimes resets that and enables the wake-up timers when plugged in.
(2020) update. Windows Update Blocker new version allow users to add any other service into web.ini file to block it. First, please edit web.ini file and add your desired service name under the $=2 line. For example, if you want to block Windows Update Medic service, please open Services and find this URL. Windows Update Blocker v1.5. Solution for new Microsoft 17134 something.
Using Windows ordering, please consider supporting